Good morning, fam. Right now I am in Tehran and I'm heading to Isfahan. This will be a 4 days trip and I will try to document it for you. I hope you and I both have fun. So let's go and set sail. The first thing was getting some gas for the road. The gas prices here are very affordable. The trip from Tehran to Isfahan was around 6 hours. The views of the road were worth every minute. And in between you have to pay for tolls, which is around $1. So now we arrived in Isfahan, but we are so hungry because we've been on the road for the past 6 hours. So we gotta eat something first and then we start to explore. I had my lunch and now I have recovered my energy. We are now in Naqsh-e Jahan Square. So now we are sitting in a coffee shop which is called Caesarea, and they have a special drink named after the coffee shop. It's called Caesarea. Now I'm gonna try it. It's with saffron. They like to put saffron pretty much in everything they do. So I'm gonna try it now. Nice.
You like it?
It's good. Right now I'm with my friend Dariush. He's from Tehran. We are traveling together in Isfahan. I want to ask him some questions. Maybe it will also answer some of your questions. Okay, first question. Is it safe to travel in Iran?
What do you think?
For me, it's pretty safe. I have never had any issue. Rather, it's like more than safe. From your perspective, do you think it's safe for tourists to come here? Yeah.
And if you travel to any country, maybe the teeth are there. Yeah, if you are coming to Iran, if you're a tourist, of course here is safe.
Yeah. Why do you think people should visit Iran?
Because in Iran we have 4 seasons together.
It's a 4 seasons country.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Because when I was in Tabriz 2 days ago, it was snowing. Now it's so sunny. The day after tomorrow, we're gonna go to a desert. And there's so many ancient structures, architectures in here as well.
The best season.
Okay, what's the best season to come to Iran?
Of course, spring.
Spring?
Yeah, of course. But if you come in summer, you can visit the north of Iran, the best weather for north in summer. And if you come in autumn or winter, you can visit the south of Iran.
Because they're deserts, right? And
yeah, desert,
always islands as well.
Yeah.
So you can come pretty much whenever you want, like I did. We just didn't even plan it out, and we came to the south because right now the southern part of Iran is amazing. When people come to Isfahan, where do you think they should see in Isfahan? What do you think they should see in Isfahan?
First, Naqsh-e Jahan Square.
This one. First this one. Okay.
Second, Naqsh-e Jahan Square.
Because if you come here, there's so many places inside or around Naqsh-e Jahan Square.
Yeah.
Actually, most of the places are around this square, and they're beautiful.
Masjid Shah, Sheikh Lutfullah Mosque,
Okay.
Shah Mosque, Ali Ghafoor Tower, Caesarea.
They're all here.
Yeah, all of them.
Yeah, they're all here. Later, Dariush took us to the top of the Caesarea, which was a restricted zone.
First, come.
Okay, I'm coming.
Come here.
All right.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Give me your hand.
Okay.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I don't know it yet, so let's see. Oh, nice. So Dariush took us to this awesome place, Naqsh-e Jahan Square, and it looks amazing from up here. We're having the sunset on the top of Naqsh-e Jahan and it looks beautiful from up here. The square had a really nice ambience. The kids were flying their kites
Everyone was chilling. It felt really nice here.
Okay, now we are heading out of Naqsh-e Jahan Square, and we are in the Bazaar of Naqsh-e Jahan Square. This is on our way out, and we are heading to the home of our friend who will host us here. Mohsen, his name.
Rezai.
Mohsen Rezai is his name. So we are heading there right now.
Muhsin was a really nice guy. He hosted us really well.
So Süleyman knows only Turkish, he only knows Persian, and he speaks English and Persian, and I speak Turkish and English. So we translated like this. They want to communicate.
Tekrar Süleyman.
Yes.
No.
Boş ver.
Bırak onları.
Teraç.
Track card. Okay.
Come
Okay.
to Iran.
Come to Iran. Yes, bu da okay.
Go off-road.
Go off-road, bu da okay. Oğlum yürüyün gidin bize ne?
One. Oh
Ha,
yeah.
yes, okay. Trabzon going to Van. Oil, mazot, benzin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go to Van.
Yes, Trabzon, Van. Bak. Benzin. Problem, very problem.
Yeah.
Ha, Van.
Van.
Van'dan geçtik. İran, kan. Ondan sonra benzin.
Yeah.
Gelirim. Okey, bir dakika. Sen iste. Yeter ki sen iste, ben her zaman gelirim.
He says, if you want me to come, I can always come. Don't worry.
Eyvah. Thank you.
Bak bunu anlıyoruz. You are welcome.
Good morning, guys. This is the second day of Isfahan. One thing I noticed about Isfahan is the bicycle. They use it on their daily routine, and they go to work, they travel around with their bicycles. It's really casual here to have a bicycle and ride around.
The second day we wanted to check out the Bazaar of Naqsh-e Jahan.
The bazaar here is amazing. It can take your whole day. There's so many beautiful stuff here.
In the bazaar, I felt like I'm in a big art gallery. I witnessed the masters crafting their works. And of course, I had to buy a woven shoe.
Now we came here to have our lunch. It looks beautiful here. It's like a movie scene. This place is called Namakdan. It's very close to Naqsh-e Jahan Square. So if you ever come here, definitely check this place out. Here, I think the foods are very tasty. You wouldn't have problems finding a good food here. I think the Iranian food culture is very rich, so you can find what you're looking for in here. So far, I really love the Iranian food.
Oh, okay.
Wow, hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, how are you? What's your name?
My name is Ahmad.
Ahmed, nice to meet you. My name is Halil.
Nice to meet you.
I think the upstairs of this restaurant is like a museum. It's so beautiful here. There are paintings, antiques, pretty much anything an artistic soul would look for. So I would definitely recommend you to come here if you come to Isfahan. This is the main dining room of the upstairs. And the thing that you see over there is actually ceiling 250 years old. This one over there. Yeah, one other thing you can do in Iran, Isfahan, is playing Tabriz. Is playing Tetris, not Tabriz. We got ourselves a Tetris and now we're playing with it. He has the highest score now, but I'm gonna pass him. You play very good. You play very nice. This guy was playing the instrument that we've seen today. He just said goodbye while he was passing.
Size hayırlı günler, hayırlı akşamlar.
Sağ olasın, eyvallah, teşekkürler. Random strangers just come and say hello when they see the camera. They're so friendly, as you can see. They just say, hi, how are you, where are you from? And we talk, we have some small chat, and then they go. Now we are at an Iranian carpet store, and I want to buy a carpet here. The carpets of Iran are very famous. That's why I want to bring one as a gift to my family. And this one is the one that I chose. If you come to Iran, you should definitely check out the carpets here. They are very beautiful and aesthetic. So as I previously mentioned, Iranian people are so hospitable and friendly. They invite us here to this beautiful hotel. It looks really nice here. Then we're gonna be having dinner here. And you can stay here for $40. It's around $40 actually. And I love the ambience here. It's really nice. I'm not talking about the service and the other stuff. I don't know them because I'm not staying here. But if you're into aesthetic places and old places like these, I'm pretty sure you would love this place. So now we are still wandering around the city and it's nearly 2 a.m. in the night. And we came to this beautiful bridge. It's called Si-o-se-pol, which means 33 span bridge. There are 33 spans on this bridge. It was built as a dam and a bridge as well. It's the largest bridge of Zayanderud River, which is also the largest river in Iran actually. And it looks really amazing in the night. I wanted to come here during the night because the lights here are amazing. As you can see, there are still many people here because of Nevruz. People don't want to leave the streets when it's Nevruz, I guess. It's a beautiful day today. It's really hot actually. Today we're gonna spend some more time in Isfahan and then we're gonna head out to the deserts of Isfahan if you have time. If not, we're gonna go directly to Yezd. We don't know what we're gonna do actually. We'll decide along the way. So, you go. Let's go.
Don't leave me. You've broken my heart. Now you leave me. Love of my life, can't you see? Bring it back, bring it back. Don't take it away from me because. Wait.
Because wait. Our first location for today is Khaju Bridge.
I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare. And I wanna take you there.
After the bridge, we went to Chehel Sotoun Palace. Chehel Sotoun Palace means 40 pillars palace. But there are only 20 pillars in this palace. With the reflection of the pillars on the lake here, it makes them look like 40 pillars. That's why they call this place 40 Pillars Palace.
I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you.
Inside the palace you can find war story paintings and also the reception of the foreign embassies from earlier times. And the paintings here are so well kept, so you would probably enjoy a good view inside the palace.
Be better, 'cause your love like
So now we're gonna have our lunch here. We are still in Isfahan, and after we have our lunch we're gonna head out to Yezd. This is a local restaurant. We're trying Iranian foods here.
We use saffron. This is Iranian saffron.
on
Yes.
the top of it, right?
Yes, this is yellow, and in Iran we tell it zeresh.
You put
And
zeresh
this
on
is
top
a
of it.
Sour, it has a sour taste.
Yeah, it's
And
famous
this is
in Iran
Iranian
too.
vegetable stew. This is
Okay.
very delicious too.
I want to know the price of these.
Yeah.
So the kebab is $3.
$3.
Okay, $3. They're like around $3-4. Is it easy to find vegetarian foods here in Iran?
No, of course it's not easy because most people do not like vegetarian foods.
Okay.
Vegans always have difficulty, especially
So-
here. Excuse me, wait
It's
a
not
moment.
that easy. We had our lunch here. It was really nice and delicious. I really like, local restaurants and eating there. So we are leaving Isfahan now and heading to Yezd. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.
You there.